Hello, I'm Richard Huber and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by David Gelerman of Advantech Wireless. David, Advantech Wireless, products in demand in Asia, why?
Richard, first of all, thank you for inviting. The biggest reason why our products are in big demand in Southeast Asia and Australia is first and foremost for our reliability. We have systems that have been installed over 10 years ago in India, for instance, and yesterday customer came and said, you know what, after 10 years of operation, non-redundant system, I'm talking about our VSAT hubs and terminals, without customer service agreement, we were trying to save money. After 10 years, we didn't even know they still exist. We're still working on it. Now we come and say, now it starts giving up after 10 years of uninterrupted operation. I was shocked and I said, why wouldn't you buy redundancy? Said, it's no need, your system is so reliable, so it was working and it's still working, but now it's time to upgrade, to move to new technology and get advantages of what you have developed in the last 10 years. So I would say reliability, same as in our gallium nitride-based BUCs and solid-state amplifiers. When we deliver, we work. Customer doesn't need to worry about what it's going to fail or it's not going to be performing to the expectation. If we deliver, we, for instance, guarantee 100 watt, it's really 100 watt. Not 90, not 65 or 75, like some of our competitors claiming higher nominal value, and when it comes to perform, it would not perform.
Now, customers are always looking for smarter communications that save them money. How do you go about that, balancing the cost savings, reliability and quality of products?
Well, good question. Our award-winning technology we received this year Technology Company of the Year at Satellite 2015 show for best in-class performance for ASAT technology. ASAT, it stands for Adaptive Satellite Access Technology, and it encompasses several waveforms in one platform. For instance, if customer has traffic flow, consistent traffic flow, like video streaming or trunking or fiber backup, he needs undivided, uncontended bandwidth and continuous throughput. This is where a CPC system shines the most, because it gives you best physical throughput, physical layer throughput, and DVB-S2, DVB-S2X, they performing the best. On the other hand, if you don't use bandwidth, you lose it. And this is where technology like MFTDMA shine, especially when you're looking at transactional application like ATM machines, lottery terminals, SCADA, internet browsing. When you can pack in the same frequency channel in different time slots, multiple subscribers, and resultant spectral efficiency or channel efficiency increase due to statistical multiplexing gain. So, and in fact, it could be when the SCPC effective performance going to zero, MFTDMA will go fourfold or fivefold of its full uncontended data rate transmission when you share it. And recently we acquired new waveform. We acquired Sharon Communications, which has very heavily patented technology on burst mode FDMA. And burst mode FDMA, it's another waveform what has properties of both through a CPC and MFTDMA, in sense what it gives you undivided bandwidth allocation, bandwidth on demand on one hand. On another hand, because once demand is gone, you can receive this bandwidth back to pool of frequencies in this case, and this bandwidth could be reassigned to different subscribers on the fly. So it has property of FTDMA, and therefore it has statistical multiplexing gain. And so customer benefit now in mid-range of performance. So you said how we can improve. Come to our website, look at our ASAT2 applications. It's too short and I cannot explain without showing you a chart. Next time tell me what you want and I will be in chart and I can walk through the chart. But in reality, it's the best waveforms. It's not even one waveforms. It's a system, but on the fly, based on traffic pattern and based on measurement of throughput or peak to average ratios, for instance. We create thresholds where we can switch from one, and of course, based on quality of service, because if somebody is not, he wants full bandwidth to do video streaming, but he's not paying for it, when such service should be denied anyway.
Yeah.
Even if you assign him a CPC as the most, as the best throughput waveform, if it's not paid, it's lost for the rest of the people, and you cannot use statistical multiplexing. And so we have through a CPC, not a CPC-like, but through a CPC waveform, we have the most advanced MFTDMA technology with the best scheduler in industry. We can, with full oversubscription, efficiency of our throughput of our system doesn't go down more than 5%. So we still maintain 95% spectral efficiency.
Yeah.
And statistical multiplexing gain, and now a burst mode of DMA. We're offering all what customer need, and automatically putting customer in waveform where he will be best served from terms of quality, his SLAs, and also with minimum occupancy of satellite bandwidth.
Now, there's a lot of people saying that the satellite industry is going through a challenging time. Do you actually agree with that?
We're always in a challenging time. Of course, we're in a challenging time. We need to do more for less and faster. So, in fact, customers now talking $0 modems or $0 terminals. Well, it's the same shift of paradigm like we've seen in mobile industry, where operating company can afford to give away equipment for subscription contracts for 2 or 3 years old, and I think satellite industry going in the same direction.
And do you think the companies in the satellite sector are all well positioned to move forward as it evolves? Or are we going to see a lot more consolidation?
You have to see a lot of more consolidation, and consolidation happens as we speak. Where 2 announcements were done on this show. What Ultra acquired Stratus, and another antenna company acquired another antenna company. I'm not sure it's. I think it's going this way. Because if we don't change and we don't find smart way to make money, we cannot stay in business. So some will disappear and some will flourish. And some will consolidate and some will be absorbed.
David, thank you very much.
Thank you, Richard.